Olivia, Kenya, Blackjack, Red, and Buck. And birdies, little birdies. And the hens and the roosters are all preening. There's Napoleon. Everybody's happy. He walks somewhere in the forest. Red rooster thinks that the buck is his dad. He keeps following him. My goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't know what's going on here. Oh my goodness. Red. Oh my. I don't even know what. It's a little birdie. God's creatures. Wow. You guys better not follow Mr. Buck. Oh my goodness. What in the world is Red doing? Red is the shyest, scarediest rooster I have. I am shocked. Oh my goodness. What are you doing? Oh, it wants to lead the way. Buddy, you're going deep into the forest. Buddy. Rooster, go get your brother. Oh, he wants to come around and he wants to get near the hens. He's pursuing the hens. And there goes Noah. Noah sees him. Noah rooster. The girls are watching. I know, Noah, I know. There's Napoleon. Napoleon, what are you doing, buddy? They get really big. Red. I know. Cher, you got something to say about it? What do you got something to say? Yeah. Beautiful back. I think he's still a baby. Is that so, Cher? Is that so? The animals have their language. Is that so, Cher? Is that so? You tell him. Oh, there's Rhoda. Is that so, Cher? Oh, there's Petunia. Hi, Petunia. She's a year and a half. I raised her. So, yep, and she's my little bully. And this is Iris. She's about a year and a half, and I raised her, hatched her. Rhoda is a rescue. We don't know how old she is. She never lays eggs. She was extremely, extremely shy, skittish, wouldn't let us hold her or touch her for a year or longer. Now she eats out of her hand. But she's laid 1 or 2 tiny little eggs. So they say she's from Hawaii. She likes to say she's from Hawaii. She likes to brag to the other chickens. She's from Hawaii. And she eats out of Mama's hand. And yeah, but we let her live here on the sanctuary. She's actually bigger than Napoleon. Napoleon's a little guy. But he loves his flock. And Red is way out there. Red! Okay, we'll leave this one under 6 minutes. You want to take a nap, Rhoda? Actually, we took her to the doctor a while back, and the vet said she was a little overweight. You're a little overweight? She said, who, me? Who, me? That's a wrap.